Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you why I'm loving my winter boots. These women winter boots are spectacular. I love how they come individually in their own little bags, so cute, with extra insoles that are very soft and durable. This would make the perfect gift. Also, when you put them on, they're not only great for rainy days, for snowy days, but they look so cute. So it's everything I was looking for. They're comfortable, they're cute, and they serve its purpose. Something I really appreciate about these boots is that it has a foldable windbreak mouth. So you can really have it with two different styles and they both look lovely. This is a plus that I know you're gonna love. Also, when you are walking outside under the snow, under the rain, you can walk with such confidence knowing that you're not gonna be slipping. Even walk on puddles, walk on very watery places, and no water is gonna come in your boot. I love it. I even run the hills without being scared of slipping down. So this is so helpful during the winter. These boots are a must. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.